Syed is serving a life sentence plus 30 years, but today's motion claims there should be a new trial thanks to that new evidence and what former prosecutors withheld. Today's motion revealed new undisclosed details about two other potential suspects, stating they may have been involved separately or worked together in the murder of Hae Min Lee. According to the motion, a person provided information that one of the suspects had threatened to kill the victim in the presence of someone else. The suspect said that, quote, he would make her disappear. He would kill her. Rabia Chowdhury is a close family friend and public advocate for Adnan Syed. She says the motion filed today supports a new trial for Syed based on a nearly year-long investigation revealing information on those two alternative suspects.
There was evidence of disclosed to the original prosecutor about one of these suspects that he had threatened the victim to kill her. And the prosecutor never disclosed that to the defense in 1999, which is the Brady violation. And that should grant Adnan a new trial on the face of it.
Now, as for the evidence against Syed, the motion goes on to say that evidence was not overwhelming and largely circumstantial. And there's new evidence. The location of the victim's car was found directly behind the house of one of the alternative suspect's family members. David Jaros, a law professor at the University of Baltimore, says the fact that this case, a case that has received an enormous amount of attention, still has these types of Brady violations is stunning.
What that tells us is we need to be careful and concerned about what's happening in all the cases that aren't receiving this kind of attention.
Now, Jaros says he expects the judge to consider the motion and hold some kind of hearing. Syed's attorney says he is grateful this information has finally come out and is looking forward to his day in court. In the studio, Ashley Hinson, WBAL TV 11 News.